Okay, moms, today I'm unboxing a must-have for breastfeeding. This is the Haakaa Manual Breast Pump, clear silicone 4Oz size. Let's check out the packaging. Super simple and eco-friendly. Opening the box, here's the pump. It's all one piece. No complicated parts, no tiny pieces to lose. First impression. It's lightweight, feels soft and flexible. Look at this, fits perfectly in my hand. The silicone is medical grade, so it's totally safe for baby. It's endorsed by moms and professionals worldwide. Now let's see how it works in real life. You simply squeeze, place over your breast, and release. Instant, gentle suction. No batteries, no cords, no noise. I love how silent it is. Perfect for nighttime pumping. It fits comfortably on different breast sizes. One size fits all. Super compact. Toss it in any diaper bag or purse. Great for moms on the go, at work, or traveling. Let's talk about the suction. You control the strength. Just squeeze out more air for stronger suction. Or keep it gentle for sensitive days. Totally customizable. It even collects letdown while you nurse on the other side. Hands-free milk collection? Yes, please. No loud motor, no awkward wires, just pure simplicity. Cleaning is a breeze. No cracks or joints for milk to hide. You can boil it, steam it, or use a sterilizer. Honestly, cleaning takes seconds. Such a relief. Capacity is 100 ml, so plenty for a single session. I love that it's totally portable and discreet. Fits in my palm, fits in my bag, always ready. Let's recap the highlights. Hands-free, adjustable suction, easy clean. If you're a working mom, this is a game changer. Traveling? No problem. No need for outlets or chargers. It's also perfect for catching letdown at home. I wish I'd had this with my first baby. One quick tip. Wait until your milk supply is established. Usually that's about 2-3 weeks postpartum. If you're still building supply, check with a lactation consultant. Safety first for you and your little one. For established supply, this pump is a total lifesaver. I genuinely recommend it for every breastfeeding mom. Affordable, effective, and so easy to use. Ready to make pumping stress-free? Try the Haakaa. Link in bio. Grab yours and simplify your breastfeeding journey.